This ice on the seawater came from Russia. Russian river, maybe Amur River, I remember. It might be wrong, but it's winter monument, kind of very famous on the Okhotsk Sea, Japan. Anyway, now, yes, 6.5 hours driving from my house. Now, this forest is my target today. I'll go the ridge, white ridge up there, maybe 1.5 hours from now. Look at these footmarks. It has a foot drag run. Very soft. Fresh snow. Like this. It's a small door going up there. Deer a lot up there. Pretty steep slope. I will not able to reach it. Very steep. Like 30 degrees. Okay. Let it away. Okay, no problem. It must be a small door. No problem. It was eating this tree bark. Like this. Hungry deer. They must survive this severe food little winter. I see a deer bunch over there, over the valley. Too far. I can see 2 deer. I don't know you can see it. Anyway, too far. This is the highest spot around here. Deer a lot is coming. Maybe back there. No matter. Deer, get away. I like to stand at the highest spot because before becoming a deer hunter, I was a hiker or mountain climber. So I like to climb up to the high spot very much. I think it's a dog watching me. I hope you can see it. Blood and hair here. The bullet hit it, but it ran away. Maybe it is dead. Not so far. Bleeding much around here. Yes. Yes, bleeding. I need to chop it. Dead. There. The initial bullet was lethal. Dead. Looks like a small door. Nice meat. Handle modified. Helle Temagami carbon. This is the main event. So let's compare with Bravo1. Just a moment. I need to zoom it up. Bark River, Bravo1. This belly curvature is pretty deeper, so it's a slow knife. As you can see it, Temagami is a much faster knife. Bravo1 is a slow knife, but around here, using straight line, no problem. Handle ergonomics very different. This portion too grooved here and here. Palm swelling. Totally swelling. I cannot say which is better right now. Temagami oh, bullet here. So, bleeding. So, it can be difficult to get a nice meat from the front leg. Anyway, upper shoulder blade muscle. Lower shoulder blade muscle to the lower leg, lower front leg. This line. Bleeding a bit. No problem here. Okay. Front leg under shoulder blade muscle is here as a back. Front leg, lower portion. This portion is very nice because it has a very strong tendon. It makes a very nice gelatin in various dishes. Last night I ate a gelatin dish. It was very tasty. This muscle is very important. When I hunt in a group, I have no time to get this amount thoroughly. It takes time, maybe 1 hour. My friend hunters cannot wait. But now, today, solo hunting. I like solo hunting very much because I can do what I like to do. Here, bone is here. Neck. Okay. This side almost done except for the rib cage. This fat tissue is annoying, really annoying for cooking. But this muscle, this muscle can be cooked around here. I can leave it. I remove this fat tissue for my wife. Here to here. From here. Yes, from here. From here. Okay, from here. chest breathing, clean. No bowel injury, no problem. Very clean rib cage. I'd like to drain this blood always, but okay. Total drainage is difficult. Oh, this is the chest sternum. Perfect. Perfect rib cage. This side all finished. The other side I'll use Bravo1. It is an A2 version, but substantially heavier than Temagami. Side holding, hand, thumb completely on the blade. Very comfortable. Temagami. Same. This portion, different. Nice. Bravo1. I feel like, almost I believe, Temagami handle is nicer for this job. Bruce design, Mr. Bruce design is very different from Bark River contour design. This dimension, this portion and this portion, thinner, nice. Nice. Difficult to say which is better. It is a bit better. I have no complaint on this Bravo1. If it was 3V, I will have a complaint about its dullness and heaviness. But A1 bamboo handle, it's a hunting Bravo1. Very, very nice thing. hunting Bravo and hunting Temagami. This line. Leaving the shallow muscle, skin side. This line. And bone line here. To the bone, cut up. And to the along the bone, cut down. This is the total hip extraction as a bulk. Bravo, Temagami. As a hunting knife, this modified Temagami handle is nicer a bit. Bravo, Temagami. Bravo. It is very nice way to use two knives. Very frequently changing. This handle is nicer. I prefer Gani very much, mainly because of its handle thinness. I like thin handle for hunting. This is thinner, not so thinner, but thinner. It is thinner. But contour is different. Very different contour. This Temagami handle is better. Good for holding change. Various holding. You know, Bravo handle is stable. Maybe more stable in fist holding. Yes. Oh, I feel it's thinner. It's thicker. It's a pretty nice handle. Bruce Temagami handle. Okay, almost finished. And rib cage and neck and Maybe this tenderloin will be very, very small. I don't know if it is worth getting. Very, very tiny muscle got from the backside. Tenderloin and the neck. A bit difficult. Where is Temagami? Oh, it is. For skinning, Bravo is too sharp. Temagami is nicer for skinning. Not very sharp. I did. Maybe. No problem. It's not a very sharp knife. Okay. Bravo. Bravo is much sharper now. Temagami is not sharp. Oh, you can see try here. Maybe I cut my finger a bit. Nice neck. Okay. It's a nice place.
Hello, knife people. This Temagami handle is completely different from the original one. The first production run, Temagami carbon. The original one was much thicker and sit in the hand on the center of the palm, only on the center of the palm, completely hand feeling. If it was, it would not make a hunting knife. So I had Mr. Bruce new control this handle like this. This handle sits here and here, various positions in the hand, like this. This thinness is necessary for my hunting knives. This is basically a survival bushcraft knife. However, this handle is not very thick like Scandi knives. So, as I said, it sits here, here, here. Various holding is possible. So it's a hunting bushcraft survival knife. The design policy of the handle is very different each other. From this dimension, this handle looks thicker. Different contour, but looks thicker. But please compare viewed from this side. Oval design. Oval is slick, but this, look at this portion. Last finger locks this portion very strongly. So it is stable in the hand in various holdings. This portion is very important for this handle. This Bravo handle is basically square, and each corner is reduced. So this contour itself has stability in the hand because it's basically a square handle. And I feel this portion and this portion thinner in the hand. Thicker feel, but actually in side holding like this, it is more stable. But this portion, this corner is not comfortable. My side holding is like this, not complete side holding. Maybe bushcraft people in chest level holding put his thumb here, right here. So this concave will be necessary. But for me, this upper portion corner is unnecessary, uncomfortable in my side holding like this. No like this. Yes, like this. So I will grind off this corner when I came home some days ahead. Then it will make a perfect hunting handle for me. It's a nice knife. This belly curvature is better than this strong curvature. And this portion, as I said, flat. So no corner here. So side holding, no problem here. Nice. Its only downside is just this portion. I will grind here And this will make a best kind knife. Bruce recontour Temagami. And it was sharper. A2 Bravo1. Looks like having no nicks, but under the microscope you can see two nicks. Very tiny, easy to restore on this strap. Unexpectedly, it took microchips. Not very sharp, cutting edges, hairy. Under the microscope, around here, belly portion, many micro rolls. You can see it through the microscope. Anyway, Temagami carbon steel is not so impressive as I noticed before. Maybe 12C27 current version, current steel is better. And A2, nice, but unexpectedly took a micro chips. No problem. That's it. It's a cool knife. Much lighter than this one. This thickness is unnecessary for hunting. 3V, much heavier. Non-skeletonized tongue, thicker geometry, larger angle. 3V Bravo1 is not a hunting knife, survival knife. Wood splitting, batoning wedge. This A2 Bravo1 is a versatile survival bushcraft hunting knife. Temagami, original one, was not a hunting knife, but this modified, Bruce modified Temagami is a hunting knife. Very nice. I don't need this portion. Okay? That's it. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye. Bravo took just a single tiny microchip. Only this one. Very small. It's Temagami. Micro rolls. Edge line is bending. No chip. Rolls. It's Temagami. Carbon steel.